Assalamu alaikum. This is Mazharul Islam Mamun, man of Rangpur district. I have completed my master's degree in mathematics from Dhaka College and also completed BSc and SSC and ACC from BF Shahin College. I have a family with a school going kid and we are very happy. Today I am getting a new experience about virtual interview to show up my interpersonal skills and now I am telling about myself and my career and the experiences. I have solid 10 years experience in remittance and money transfer business. I have worked with renowned organizations as like Express Money, Western Union, Bragg University, ACA Pharmaceuticals in different positions. I am expert in training, TOT, conduct program, brand image creating, business strategy, planning, implementation, customer gathering, operational issue handling, and business idea and development. I have conducted more than 100 training individually and also conducted more than 100 customer gathering program individually. Conduct presentation, prepare training module, product promotional campaign, sales team motivational training, direct sales activities. I have knowledge to field visit for different type of relevant work all over the country. Now I am managing one of the best remittance hub in Bangladesh, Kumbh and Sylhet region in Express Money, and we are growing day by day by a special program and plan. I have a strong business relation and intimacy with my business partner, bank official, higher management to run and increase business. In Express Money, my major responsibility is to maintain and develop network with the bank and NGOs, assist to plan and conduct different type of events to increase business by transaction as well as brand image. Conduct customer service program, customer gathering program, customer service month, a special festival program, arrange, conduct and organize the training activities regarding business development. Liaison with the bank head office IT team to arrange the training. Frequent market visits and marketplaces in different areas, bank and NGO location in Bangladesh. Direct communicate with the customer and the service point of the different institute to increase business. Plan and implement many kinds of ideas, thought and strategic regarding company business development, implementation for long and short term benefits. I have a strong communication skills so that I can manage different type of issue in terms of business, operation and product promotion. I have remittance data, have direct relation with NRB and their families. I have WhatsApp and emo group in different countries of NRB and my colleagues so that I can share and support promptly to them. I can travel across the globe for deep business development, marketing, and brand promotion. I have already visited maximum bank branches, NGOs in Comilla, Sylhet, Rajshahi, and Dhaka division, including Kustia, Chuadanga, and Meherpur district. I have a strong negotiation skills to bring out the best deal with my customers, agents, and concerned. Human life is dynamic, and every human being has an ambition. I have also an ambition. My ambition is to become an icon of the industry in terms of business and communication expert. My another ambition is to reach the top level of the position in the organization. My another dream is to serve the nation and the globe with my honesty and hard work and strategic plan. My next dream is to keep my family safe and sound with a healthy environment. Traveling is my passion and it becomes true with my profession. It helps me to visit lot of places in Bangladesh. I am happy to share with you that I have already visited more than 60 districts in Bangladesh for my professional activities. And my ambition is to visit at least 25 countries in the world. I have solid 10 years experiences in remittance, business development, business operation, product promotion, sales team activities with the different and renowned organization in Bangladesh and international. I have conducted more than 100 training individually and also conducted more than 100 customer gathering program individually. Conduct presentation, prepare training module, product promotion campaign, sales team motivational training, direct sales activities, and have a strong knowledge to field visit for different type of relevant work all over the country. I am expert in reporting, presentation, and in any sort of communication. I am IT expert. I have a strong knowledge in English for communication. So please consider above all my skills, knowledge, and expertise, and appoint me in your organization so that I can show my talent and hardworking capability. Thank you very much.